Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work in DocuSign to sign your papers very quick and most importantly to be really secured about it. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at DocuSign or log into our existing account. As you can see, I already have one waiting for others in here because I've sent my first document already. But where we want to start? We want to go to the top right corner, click on our icon and manage profile. We get redirected to account.docusign.com, and what we really want to set up is our signature. As you can see, I don't have any signature in yet. So let's go and click on add new. That's my name, but you can change it for Marcus White, for example. Initials MW. And now you can pick from some pre-made options for you, or you can draw. You can get a marker, for example, clear, or pen. Let's go with like this, like that, and Marcus White, for example. Yeah, okay, whatever. You get a memo. You click create, and straight away that's your sign. You can edit it if you want to upload your already, for example, verified signature, but there's an option, you don't have to. You can connect some apps through integrations. Also stamp, you can make one, or basically just upload. Let's go and let's try to use, maybe this will work. Let's put this wolf like this, square crop or no crop. Yeah, let's go with square crop like that. Stamp name, it doesn't matter. Make this my default stamp like this. Now we have everything set up. It's very weird, and we want to go back to DocuSign and finally make some start to sign some papers. So where we start? It's pretty easy. Just drop documents here and get started. Let's click on start now. Upload from desktop. Let's go with this one that I created just for this reason. Am I the only signer? Yes or no? Let's go with no. Click next. Who's the first one? As you can see in address book, I already created this guy, Marcus Stone. We can use him and add a recipient. We can get like one more or maybe two more. It's completely up to you. We can use them, we don't have to. I'm the sender, so it will go from my email to this email. We go next, and straight away you got this invoice. So where's gonna be a signature? Let's go here, like this. Initials, yeah, we don't need them. Stamp, let's go like this into this corner. Date, you can go with write down name with email, company, title, text. There's a lot of stuff going on that you can use for pimp this invoice. If you go with more people, we can try and add a recipient. For example, Dana Purple. We can give him this email. Like this. As you can see, there are 2 recipients now. We go with next. Got it. And straight away, you can choose multiple signs. So let's go like this. And as you can see, those are labeled orange. But if we click on this Marcus Stone icon, go with the Dana purple, and we can go with the signature as well for him or for her. It doesn't actually matter. Stamps. And date signs. Like this. So what about now? Obviously you have the basic options here. We are in the step of preparing. Now we can add a comment, we can zoom it in or zoom out and so on, but yeah, I'm quite happy with what we have here. We can copy it, there are recipients and yada yada yada. We hit next, and now email subject please, DocuSign for 2 of those recipients, those are their emails. Enter message, please sign ASAP. And the last thing that we about to do is we're going to send it. As you can see, we sent your envelope. So what about now? We can go to our, we can go to our email, where we should have the sign now email. I'll just have to find it. Oh, sorry, not sign now, DocuSign. Yeah, here it is. Review document. That's the one that I created before. That was the one that you saw in the start, because it takes like 5 minutes till the email arrives. Continue. And here we have sign. So we want to sign it. For example, I made this one Marcus Stone. So let's see it like that, as Marcus Stone. Those are the previews that are going to be used. You can change the style. Or you can draw your signature like this. You can always clear it, so we can at least try. We can go with adapt style. Oops, that's maybe too big. Yeah, whatever. And the stamp. Yeah, why not? Use this one. Adapt. And it's a complete mess, as you can see. Can make it smaller, for example, like this. Same goes with the sign. So yeah, just go with finish and save a copy. Password. Yeah, that's not that password, but whatever. You get it. You don't want to, for example, send a copy and you are all done. I think signing was easy, try it out, blah, blah, blah. Now we go back. And we also have to wait for a bit. One is completed. And as you can see, you can click on it. There's a preview. And it's signed. Yeah, it looks like a not very good job, but it's just for you to get a memo if you manage to sign it right. So it's very easy. You basically click on start now and you just follow all the steps You can manage your inboxes, your sent. As you can see, I got 2 of them. This one is just waiting for for other people. We have some drafts that we can pre-mate and use them. Next time, deleted subjects, actions required. This one is waiting for others. Would be like waiting for me to sign, expiring soon, completed. There should be only one, yeah. And the folders, you can always create a folder for work, for example, or something like that. You can move it to work folder, move. And when you click there, there's already this one. So yeah, that's about it. I think it's quite self-explanatory. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.